Hello everyone, it's Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com and .co here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this Genos Tyros video lesson and tutorial on how to sing along and play using the MIDI files. Now, if you purchased your Genos from us, you got a big MIDI file stick, and you're going to learn how to do everything right here in the video. And of course, if you're playing along with the music and singing, you're going to want some vocal harmony. I'm going to show you how to do that. And you can also do it with the big memory stick that you got from us here at Keyboard America. So let's take a quick look at how to get things set up for customizing your vocal harmony, your reverb, everything you need for singing along, whether you're playing or doing it on a MIDI file. Okay, so we're going to show you the MIDI file first. Just insert the USB stick that you got from me, and now we're going to take a look at the screen. Okay, so when you put in your stick, it says your stick was inserted, and that's good. We're going to go over here to song. Now, we're going to want to go to song B, which are the MIDI songs. Song A are audio files. We'll talk about them later, but we're going to go to song B. Now we're going to go to USB, because that's where I keep all of my MIDI files, and you can see it says MIDI files, and you have the same thing on your stick. And now we have a list of tunes that are in the MIDI files, and here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go find Roses Are Red, because that's what I'm going to feature on this particular one. So I'm just going to get to the R's here, and here's Roses Are Red, and you'll see I've got a little -5 in there, and I'm going to tell you what to do with that as well. When you figure out what key you're going to sing it in, you put the stick back in your computer, and before the .MID, you put your transpose in there, -5. So it'll come up and it'll say Roses Are Red .MID on your computer. All you have to do is click on after Roses Are Red, put your -5 in, and then the .MID will already be there, and your transpose will be right there. Okay, next I'm just going to touch it. Roses Are Red, just like so. I can hit my exit button to get back to this screen. First thing I'm going to do is see what key it's written in, and there's one flat, B flat there, so this is written in F. I'm going to go back. Now the reason I want to know what key it is because when I strike a chord, it's going to give me the vocal harmony. Now, back out, lyrics, right here. So as I start the song, and we'll show you that in just a second, you'll see the lyrics come up right on the screen. But we have another step to do before we get started, because we want to set up our microphone now. Okay, so your direct access button is very important. So we're going to press direct access and vocal harmony. Now, right up here it says standard harmony. Right here is your reverb. They're the two we're going to be looking at. Now, I've played around with this a little bit, and I'll show you what it does real quick, but I'm going to go to standard harmony here, and I'm going to change this to easy harmony right there, because I've listened to it a little bit. Now, there's pages of these vocal harmonizers in here, so you can have a lot of fun with this, playing around with it. It just depends on the song that you're playing. The next thing I'm going to do is hit my exit out, touch my reverb, and I'm going to put my reverb level wherever there. I'm going to grab my mic, and right now you hear a little reverb in there. So when I turn the vocal harmony off, you hear my voice with a little reverb. When I turn the vocal harmony on, at that point, if you're striking a chord, you'll get vocal harmony right there. So that's going to be an important step. Now, the next thing we have to do is save this setting if we like it. We can adjust how much lead there is and how much harmony that you have behind it, so you can play around with that a little bit. You won't mess it up, so you can put it wherever you want it, unless you hit this save button up here. And I'm just going to hit save, and it comes up. You see I've saved Alpine Girls and Barry White in there. Here I'm going to save that easy harmony, and this customizes it so I never have to go in and do it again. Once you play around with your vocal harmonies and get them set the way you like them, you just go to the user page on there, and there's all your vocal harmonies there. So when I go back out here, you notice I'm on user. To go to preset, now here they are all again. So once you edit them like I just did, they're going to be in the user. Okay, so now I'm going to exit out all the way. Roses are red, -5 comes up, and I'm going to transpose to -5 because that's the key I sing it in, and I'm going to put the lyrics on. Now it's just a matter of pushing play here in the song B, and I'll let you hear how this comes out. Okay, so one more thing before we move along. If you purchase your Genos from me, you got the big bundle, so you've got extra pedals. I have my vocal harmony set to one of my little square pedals. So I have my sustain pedal, which is the big piano style pedal, and also 2 small pedals. One that you can turn your autoplay chords on, one you can use your vocal harmony. You can set them forever you want, but mine is set for vocal harmony. And of course, if you have your pedal plugged in and you want to set it for vocal harmony, just hit direct access and the little pedal, and it jumps to the page for the foot pedals, and pedal 2 you see is on vocal harmony. If it's not on vocal harmony, which I bet it isn't, just push that and you can go through all the pages to find vocal harmony off and on in there. Okay, now one more step here, okay? If you've purchased your Genos from us, then you see you've already got my settings in your board. Assignable A, I have on all the channels. When you're playing a MIDI file, most of the time track 4 is going to be the lead note, so you just touch it up here and make it go dark. On this particular song, it's an oddball, number 1 is the lead note. I don't want the lead note playing if I'm playing over top of it or I'm singing. And of course, you just exit right back right to your lyrics page now, and we are ready to go, and I hope you don't mind my singing here. Okay, here we go. A long, long time ago, on graduation day, you handed me your book. I signed this way: roses are red, my love, and violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, my love, but not as sweet as you. We dated through high school, and when the big day came, I wrote into your book next to my name: roses are red, now you can hear, as soon as I hit my pedal, that little thing goes away. So I have my pedal set for, and when I strike the chord, to get the vocal harmony. Okay, now the next step is, let's say you're playing along and you want to use your vocals and vocal harmony and all that too. You're going to want to save your song setting in here the way we've been doing in my weekly Song of the Week and Buttons class. And when you touch your memory button, make sure all the boxes are checked off before you save that song into your registrations, or you'll have to do it all again. And once again, you'll be able to go to our website and watch the assignable button video that I made if you didn't purchase your Genos from us. All the videos I have on there are going to help you do this. But go to our Keyboardamerica.com Genos Tyros video lessons page, and that's where all the good stuff is going to be for you to accomplish all this. Okay, two more important things. For all you in the book bundles out there, I just emailed you a brand new, updated, easier to use version of my chord chart. So just got finished doing that this morning. If you guys aren't a part of the book bundle out there, but you're watching me worldwide, you can email me at tyrosmike@hotmail.com. Now, I also have genosmike@hotmail.com, but all my lists are on tyrosmike@hotmail.com. So that's where you can get your chord chart free. No problems with that whatsoever. Also, so I don't get a bunch of emails, my big memory stick is not available for sale. So please don't ask me for my MIDI file USB stick. That's only for purchase of a Genos, and all you guys that have them out there have all these #1 hits from the big band era up through the 80s, and that's one advantage of buying from us besides our big free bundle and our great low price. So check into that as well. You do get my all my memory stick with the book bundles that has all the settings in there. So that's a good one to have anyway, and you do get that with the book bundles, but not the big free MIDI stick. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com and .co saying have a great day, keep playing, and see you soon.